Yo, what's up? What's up? So I use Super Grok to ask questions and help me out and just kind of like solidify what I am learning. And I'm gonna go over a couple of these bullet points just so you can see and my mindset on how I trade on a day to day. Okay. So staying disciplined. Okay. Stick to your trading plan, avoid impulsive decisions driven by emotion. This one is a really good one. Okay. Because you need your plan, you need your risk to reward, you need to know how much you're going to risk first, how many trades you're going to take, what time you're going to trade. Okay. And really see and learn the price movement of your symbol. How many symbols are you going to trade? If you are barely learning, just do one symbol. One symbol. If you're going to do gold, stick to gold for a year. If you're going to do futures, stick to one futures for a year. So, yes, or NASDAQ or whatever type of futures you want to trade, commodities or all that. So, stick to one. Okay. Learn candles, all that. Okay. So stay disciplined, study, journal, all that stuff. It's a good one, right? And then embrace patience. It's another good one. Okay. Wait for high probability setups. That goes back to your trading plan. You take one or two trades. If you're starting off, just take one or two trades. You can take demo trades too, spam demo trades. But for what? Learn how to trade good. There's so many good trades throughout the day that you're going to catch and you could have caught, but just try and keep that mentality, okay? And accept losses. Ooh, that's a good one. Yeah, you learn from it. Okay, learn and journal. Say of like, oh, I was looking for longs when I should have been looking for shorts. Then you learn. You see why, how you felt, whatever, whatever. You can see on one of my past videos, I have a trading journal recap. I even have the trading journal in the description. You can copy it. Okay, control emotions. Okay, if you get good, if you catch good trades, cool. If you don't catch good trades, cool. Keep it pushing. Learn from both. Focus on process. Yeah. You want to focus on mastery. And mastery is not quick. Okay. You want to focus on mastery and focus on becoming the best you. Not, oh, I want to post on Instagram and show that I made 3,000 today. Those days will come. Just focus on your skill. Okay. Manage risk. Also a good one. It goes back to your trading plan. Okay. So you manage risk. You risk 1 to 2% of your capital, 1 to 2% of your capital. So if you have a $5,000 account, you do the math. You multiply it by 0.01, 0.02, whatever you have, Stay objective. Yeah, based on analysis and not hunches. Okay. You want to base decisions on data and analysis, not hunches or market noise. Okay. That's a good one. Adapt to change. Sometimes it's volatile. The markets can be really volatile and the markets can be really boring. So just adapt, you know. Avoid over trading. Goes back to your trading plan. It's a good one. Cultivate confidence. And how does confidence occur? Occurs when you're competent. So learn your stuff. Okay. Learn continuously. It's good. I'm glad they're right next to each other. I'm glad they're right next to each other. Cultivate confidence and learn continuously. Study markets, strategies, do vlogs. You don't have to post them on YouTube like me, but you can learn. Maintain balance. Okay. Make sure you balance. Go take walks, hit the gym, go have fun, ride a bike, yada, yada, yada. Draw, whatever you do, fun to kind of get your mind off of the charts. Okay. Set realistic goals. Okay. You're not going to get rich overnight. That's a good one because, say, you're not going to make $1 million in one trade. Okay. That's not going to happen yet. Just make sure you're taking solid trades and learning how to do the trades. Okay. Practice gratitude. Be grateful for the wins, be grateful for the losses. Helps you stay motivated. Okay. Gratefulness is great. Visualize success. Okay. You can meditate, visualize, and focus on your breathing. That's a good one. Stay consistent. Okay. Wake up every day, do your routine, be on the charts, especially if you're learning. Okay. There's no other place to learn but here. You got to learn here. Okay. That's the only place to learn is on the charts. Okay. Detach from outcomes. Okay, that's good. Say you will have a goal for your daily, how much you want to make. Why don't you focus on what you want to learn, what you want to really focus on that day? The money will come. The money's there. The money's in your bank. Just get better with your craft. Okay. Reflect regularly. Go back to your trade. Go back to your journal and um, do the trades, do the journal. Go back to your journals and review every journal every day. And learn from it. Learn. Okay. Let's see. Set realistic goals. Ignore the hype. Practice gratitude. Visualize success. Stay consistent. Detach from outcomes. Reflect regularly. Stay resilient. That's a good one. This is tough. I'm not gonna lie. It is tough. But just know that you're still alive and go back to being grateful. That helps. Gratitude is a lot is really a good life game changer. Okay, and I hope this helped. I know I just read a list off of this stuff, but I added my 2 cents, and I hope that helps. Okay, peace.